me. I'm farms in God, right? Since she has this work desk and like a basket for meds and supplements. Look at her bed. It's giving queen. It's giving queen, princess of Africa. Look at her. Look at her closet. It's her closet I just entered now. And I screamed. Mado. See shoes. See bags. This one is for all the Ankara African outfits. Up here, her boxes, her duvets. Guys, my friend is doing big things. Why are you talking of big women in Lagos? Fumi is number one. Look at this. Is all her corporate outfits. All her other house. I love it. One day to today. You didn't tell me that the memo was white, oh, Kimashe. Why you didn't tell me that the memo was white? You didn't tell me the memo was white.
It's very white.
For our orange.
Hey, to be good now.
A pop of color. Adam is wearing white, oh. Come on. I love my hair so much, but it's so rude of me. Hi guys. Hi. I think this is better. Some people that's better. Oh, hi guys. So I am here. I am in the Abuja. Yeah, I'm in the Abuja. I'm here for work and play, to be honest, because I've been promising to a couple of my friends I was going to come to Abuja, and I'm finally here. I am not vlogging this trip. I just want to work and play and carry you guys along, as the spirit leads, to be honest. Well, yeah, I left my house this morning and I just got to Abuja. So my flight was supposed to be for 11:15, but we didn't leave till like 12 o'clock. And then we got to Abuja at about 1:01. So yeah, I just got into my room now. I'm about to settle in and then not settling. I'm about to continue work. I've actually been working, while in transit, and I'm just about to continue with work, and enjoy the rest of the day. All right, talk to you guys later. Back to my hair. I like my hair. Can you tell? Can you tell? Look at that. What lace. I love it so much. Laid for the gods, to the gods. How did they say that thing? Ciao.
The next day.
ANIE UFIA. This is the most recent Buhari. Good luck, Jonathan. Ibrahim Babangida. Okay, Ronsi. He had 5 names. Wow. Nnamdi Azikiwe. Buhari again. Yeah. This installation.
recount.
Wow, let me
So
see.
you have to put this on.
Wow.
Date now. This is
From the 14th
14th century.
the 14th century.
Yes, the dates. These are the monies Nigeria be using. So they are transitional from one to the other. So this is Manila. So it was used from the 14th to 15th century.
Before we started using cowries.
Yes, and it's made of bronze and copper. Then this is the cowries.
What does the black one? The black one is higher than the green.
No, it's the same thing.
Oh.
Yeah, it's the same thing.
No denomination like we have now.
You know, this thing is like you're not paying like the way you pay money now. It's like trade by barter. You have to give this one to collect something. So this is what they're using. So the cowries for the 17th centuries, the penny and the shillings. These are the British monies. And people like African country under British were using this money as at that time. So this is the kobo.
Interesting.
And kobo was introduced in 1959.
Yeah.
And when central bank to dividing Nigeria didn't work out, so had to,
It still hasn't worked.
yeah, it didn't work out. So this is
The 1 naira.
This is 1 naira.
1 naira.
And it was during I think about Makali.
Oh, I remember this one, the 50th independence. Yeah.
50 naira. And behind this 20 naira, there's a woman that does portraits.
Yes, from Ilaya.
Yes, and her name is
Ladi Kwali.
Yes.
This is from Ilaya. Nice. I remember this 100 naira.
This is 500 naira, and this is like the
So there was actually carbon.
yeah, yes, I think yes there was, and it's there. I think it's there. You should see it here.
I tried 7 out of 10. I did. And I think we should have this. This is a sports box. So this is Konjo, the Lagbo. I don't know who this is. Asisa Shola. Ah, Janice. Ah. Good Safia. I read that one. Oh, people of the city, the lion and the draw. I read that one. Things fall apart. Oh, I love the Americana. Half of a yellow song. We're still looking for Kaine and me. Well, let's drink.
If you don't talk about it,
I know, right? No, I feel like when you're starting, if you don't talk about Chinua and Wole Soyinka, you haven't started the conversation. Before you come down to Ben Okri,
so this is the manual.
MS officer.
So you want to type.
I remember doing typewriting in school and my hand used to hurt. Your fingers hurt.
And if you make mistake, you have to like pull back.
You press, you shift this thing, you press it, so now go back again. You start.
You make mistake, you have to like then introduce the ink. Then you wipe it and wait
Yes, for it to dry.
start
Then you start again. Look at all the typewriters. Give me memories, because I typed on this thing, and our own then wasn't even this fancy. I mean, this one still looks fancy. That one looked very big and scary.
You have to sit down, look at it.
And this typewriter is bringing such core memories. I can't even get to mine. I should have done another quiz on this place. What names do you see? Like a puzzle. Because I'm looking for one lecture in name.
Is it?
I just found it.
Okay.
Wow.
Take pictures. Some
Igala helmet mask.
direct replicas, they're not the real originals.
Okay. Replicas. Ife terracotta head. Ife. The Igbo Uku leaded bronze vase. Benin Bronze Plaque. This is the old one. Ife Bronze Head. Olumeye figurine. Thank you.
That's the process.
It's in the process. Nice. Now you see me as much as you want. My phone's 1 terabyte, don't worry. Oh, this reminds me of Beyonce's music video. Nice. It's giving AI. The future is AI. Get used to it, honey. Oh, this is my favorite. Oh, I like it. I like it. So nice.
Let me try.
Hey guys, it's me again. I just got back from the movies. I went to see Mission Impossible. By the way, I'm in a new space. This place is much bigger than the other hotel. This place is much bigger than the other hotel, and then I had to move because this is more central to the places that I need to be at during my stay here in the Buj. Buj. Anyways, I am just here trying to get some work done. Then I will eat suya. I have suya here, so I'll have some suya, maybe watch some videos on Netflix, then I'll go to bed. It's been a long day, a very long day, and I am exhausted, but it's been an exciting day. So yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a heads up because I said it, and honestly I just really wanted to enjoy this time here instead of carrying camera up and down. Trying to vlog every moment. But anyways, yeah, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm not really sure what I'm doing tomorrow, but tomorrow should be another eventful day. So I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, welcome to my channel.
Annie is in the boat. Annie is in the what?
The Buj. Guys, look at my girl.
I miss you.
Look at this. It's been so many years, and
5 years. Five.
So glad that we could reconnect.
I know, right?
It was a surprise. You must have seen it. I'm going to put the clip. I didn't know. The clip is going to come maybe before this one. Hello. Surprise!
That video was not me. This is me. I wasn't sure how to react. I didn't know if I should scream, or I still was trying to take in the fact that I was actually seeing you right in front of me.
It was so funny.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're heading out now. Bedu. You know now, Annie's in Abuja.
Annie in the Buj.
We must come out.
Annie in the Buj.
Annie in the Buj, cookie rice. Anyways, talk to you guys. Doing tourist things. Tourist vibes. we just passed as Europe, by the way.